Hey y'all, what's up? It's week 2 living by myself. I don't know, I feel like I need to explain some things. I'm gonna need to sit down for this one. So basically, I had recorded a little room tour of my old room in my parents' house, and I can't seem to find the footage, but I basically explained like what was going down. So the reason why I always say like I'm technically on my own and stuff is because I'm living in my parents' back house, kind of. Basically, they converted the garage into like a extra room slash bathroom, but I am going to make it like my own little house. I am moving. Oh, what? I'm like moving out of my parents' house. Today is Monday, the 25th, I'm not sure yet. I'm making some prototypes for my store. So basically I'm trying to come up with like a better idea for like these bralettes, which I mean I'm really liking the way this came out, but I feel like I do need to work on the construction a little bit more. Right now I have to go pick up Christian from the airport because he went to Las Vegas this morning, and then I'm gonna work on some more bralettes and stuff so I can put that on my website. Updating my place. It's not perfect and it's obviously not how I want it to be yet. Yeah. And I feel like it looks the same as I showed you guys already last week. So we have the clothing rack, that chair that needs to go, my Christmas tree, then my bed with my dog. Yeah, I don't know why I show you guys this, but oh, I got these bowls for my dogs at Target. Yeah, not really much has changed. So these are all the photos I took. This is just a little, you know, sneak peek. I gotta go through all of these and pick out like the best ones, which usually is like only 3. So let's see how many I choose this time. I uploaded the pictures to my website and also posted on Instagram. So let me show you guys. My lighting sucks. That's that. And then I updated my website. There I am. So this is the home page right here. And as you can see, if we just go over to shop, we have swimwear. So this is my swimwear stuff. And then if you push shop again, we have underwear. Yes, bitch. We officially have underwear. So these are the Noir undie set, and this is the Sangria set. And then here we have the bralette, just under bamboo bralette. And I do have to take some shots of just the undies. I seem to always do this. What I did was I posted my bralettes, and to my surprise, somebody actually ordered. I mean, I love that people actually ordered because that makes me just want to make more, and like I feel like validated, you know, like yes, somebody's actually buying my stuff. Someone ordered a black bralette and I like literally have no more fabric, so okay. All right, hair is combed out. Good. Okay, let's do this. Staples haul. First thing that I really needed was ink. I also got 100% recycled copy paper. I didn't want to get a lot of mailers because I want to order some online, but since I need them like right now, I just picked up this, which was poly mailers. It comes with 5. I'm not a fan of poly mailers. I'm definitely gonna have cardboard ones. I'm gonna hook up my printer right now and hopefully it works. And then when I get back, I'm going to fix the straps. Yeah, my dog knows how to open a door, just like that. Ah! Okay, quick update on Mamacita. This is her. She is about 4 to 3 months. We have reason to believe that she is a Malinois. What do you guys think? What is she? Is she a Malinois? Hello, baby girl. Look at them paws, though. Hey guys, getting ready to ship out this bralette. This is like my first online order and I'm really excited about it. Like all the other orders and all the other orders that I've had were from like friends, then I didn't have to like mail them out. I would just drop them off to them. These bralettes are not intended to be worn in place like of bras and stuff, so these are more for like lounging around, I guess. And also just if you don't want to wear a bra, but they're not going to be like super supportive, you know. So these are not lined with anything. There's just strictly like this awesome bamboo fabric, which is so soft, and yeah, it just feels like you're not even wearing anything, honestly. But I don't know, I really like these because I just feel like, I don't know, I just don't feel so constricted, you know. And I wear these out like under, like when I'm just wearing like a sweater, and I just put this underneath and it just felt good, you know. Oh my god, my freaking camera battery and my memory card sucks. I'm gonna iron this, lint roll it, put it in my mailer, and go pick up my shipping labels. Alright, so since I don't have a printer, because my printer sucks, I'm gonna go to my dad's shop. I don't know why I didn't think about that yesterday, but I totally forgot. So yeah, I'm gonna go over there and print the label. Shop to go print out the shipping label, and I shipped it out. After the post office, I decided to go check out Goodwill, and honestly wish I didn't go because I just waste so much time looking around for stuff, and I always just find the same type of crap, honestly. And for me, I'm very like casual. I don't know, I like just basics, and I like wearing a lot of the same things. Like if I find something that I like, I just wear it over and over again. I updated my website a little bit, which you're probably not gonna be able to tell anything different if you guys aren't on it all the time like I am. And look at that, you can like switch. I just added the blue color, which is a I named it Tulum. Like, I don't know, I've seen a lot of like this blue color, like obviously with cenotes and all this stuff when I was in Tulum, and I don't know, just so vibrant and pretty. I like it. And then I also added a size guide. So here it is. Right here I just put a little disclaimer that I do want to be inclusive, but right now at my skill level of sewing and all that stuff, this is what I know, which is small, medium, and large. But I'm definitely going to be expanding because I want it to be very inclusive. And there's that. And then you go right here and you can like shop some. This one is called Sangria. And you can also choose the size like for the top and the bottom if you guys want to get the set. And add to cart can be view full item. I just love my website. Hashtag thank you Squarespace for sponsoring. Just kidding. I wish. But look at that. I love it. Powered by Squarespace, y'all. Stop sleeping on them.